Okay, here's the second situation with Explore reports. You could see the Explore option here on the left, and under Explore, you could create new reports, and what we did a simple freeform report. And in this freeform report, we are displaying these dimensions, which is basically the source. What I've added as metrics, and you could see here, sources under rows, the session source. And for the metrics, I simply included sessions, transactions, and revenue. And you can see all the sources are here. What we want to do is to create a filter, and I'll go ahead and create a filter. So I will simply choose session source, add it here. And here in the conditions, I will say matches regex. In matches regex, I will use the pattern for inclusion, which I will now use the second version, this one. Okay, so I'll simply copy that and I'll add it in here. So what this will do is it will apply regex rules to filter it to these words. However, you could see that there are some like data not available because it has the letters AI, mailing, email, mail.google, a sail through, which are primarily not AI platforms. So this is why we need the exclusion rule. If we go back to the deck, you could see here the exclude. We're gonna simply copy that. So I'll go ahead and go back and create another rule. In the template reports, we were not able to add another one, but let's go ahead and try it here in the Explore reports. So let's go ahead and add session source as another filter, which is added here. And then in session source, I will simply do does not match regex. And then we'll paste the same string that we have. Now we have a problem here. You could see that there is a maximum length and it is cutting it off up to the word Jamaica. I will take off that line after, and actually I'll take off Jamaica as well. And I will close that parentheses to avoid an error and dot asterisk and apply. We're still seeing something like trail finders. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add another one. I'll go ahead and do session source and I'll do does not match regex. I will paste the remaining of the rules. Okay, you could now see here that the exclusion rules are implemented, but there was a limit to its length. However, the Explore reports allow you to have multiple filters even though the dimension is the same, unlike in the template reports. So it's ideal to do this compared to doing it in the template reports.